I'm taking me STI WRX out for a little spin in the rain. It is raining. It's pretty usual for Wellington, but I'm just gonna take it for a real quick spin in it. A lot of people have been asking me via inbox. They never say it on status. I don't know why they're so shy for. Whoa, that's a bit close. Okay, here we go. Need the wipers on. Can't really boost it too much because I have to save up for a bit of fuel. I think I need the heater going or something. Wow, man, this thing's orgasmic, man. Whoa, jeez, I haven't really boosted this thing before. Oh, wow. 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 Just wow. So you can only see the outside. You can't really see the boost gauge because of my Samsung S4. It's just the camera. It's not the best quality, but definitely listen to the Subaru rumble, man. I love it. I love this car, man. I don't know what people are saying about the car being trashed and stuff. I fixed it and it hasn't cost me, actually it hasn't cost me anything because I've been doing it myself and everything works fine just the way it should be.